welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash and I bought makeup for the first time in forever. So let's do a haul video. So about a week ago I went to Ulta and I picked up some products because I haven't done any makeup shopping in months and it's about time that I got some new products to try. So I figured why not do an old-fashioned haul video. I'm filming this the night that our temperature went from like 70 to 40s, something like that. It is chilly, but I'm excited for cold weather. Anyways, everything I bought was 20% off and let's just jump into this. Okay, so first product I got was from Ava NYC. This is the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. This stuff is magic in a bottle. I am telling you, this has saved my hair. This entire line saved my hair. This is my third or fourth bottle picking this up. The one thing I don't like about this is I just realized that this is leaking. So that's awesome. The other one I have is still like pretty much full, but it won't spray anymore. So packaging wise, not the greatest, but for what this does to my hair is amazing. I love it. At the beginning of the year when I had pink hair and I severely damaged said hair, I put up a video on TikTok about that product because somebody recommended it to me. And it's still getting views and likes, and Ava NYC doesn't want to work with me. But it's whatever. They saved my hair. I'll deal with it. And then I went ahead and picked up two of my favorite cleansing balms. This one is from Good Molecules. I have so much trouble saying that word. Molecules. This is the Instant Cleansing Balm. Works great. I really like it. And then from e.l.f. I got the Makeup Cleansing Balm also. I really like this. Is it like the best at getting like lash glue out? No, but for like everything else, pretty good. Both of these pretty solid, pretty cheap. I know e.l.f. came out with like a bigger size in this, which I want to pick that up, but they didn't have it at my Ulta. But I go through those. This will be my third one that I've gone through. I think this one's my third one too. And I got the wrong highlighter. This is from the Colourpop Sailor Moon. I got the shade Moon Kingdom, which I mainly got it for the cat packaging because like it's adorable. I was never big into Sailor Moon, not gonna lie, but this is what this looks like. I don't think I can wear this as a highlighter on my skin tone, but I can probably layer it over blush. But as you can see, it's very pretty. It's a very purpley pink color. I'm into it. Even though it was the wrong shade. I thought I was getting the lighter one, but it is what it is. And then from NYX, I picked up the Black Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick. I have a few of these shades from this line, and I really like it. And I'm always down to try a new black one. So that is the doe foot. Do a little swatch. Ooh. I still have not found a black lipstick to beat my Black Moon Cosmetics one. But that one does seem pretty promising. Is this line the most comfortable matte liquid lipstick? No. But for the colors that they have and the formula, like, it's not bad. I'll probably rank it in like my top 10, but it's definitely not my top 5, but it's still good. I will be interested to see how this works on my lips. I would put it on my lips now, but I'm not feeling it. From Urban Decay, I got the Space Cowboy Moondust shadow and the Moondust glitter liner thing. I have been so entranced with these. I don't know, it's like all over everywhere and I suck at opening these packages, but it's just supposed to be a very pretty sparkle, like very shiny. And while we're here, let me zoom you in. Oh yeah, turn down this exposure, you can really see the sparkle. I like that. I'm pretty sure that would be really pretty built up and like on an eyeshadow base. And then this is the Moondust Space Cowboy. This one I believe has a solid base because I think these are supposed to be different from the other glitter ones. So it's the same component. This is the heavy metal glitter one and this is the Moondust one. Just do a little swatch. Yeah, I can definitely tell that this has more of a colored base. Very reflective. Has more of a colored base, so I feel like this and this together will pair up pretty well, but I'm excited for that. And then the last thing I got is a palette, finally. I've been wanting to get a new palette and I decided, you know what, it was 20% off. Might as well get this one because it's absolutely gorgeous. This is the Fall Romance palette from Anastasia. I love the shades in here. I cannot wait to film with this. Just look at those shades. So deep, so perfect for fall. I think what I plan on doing with this is filming a 2 looks 1 palette video with this palette because I want to use it as much as possible because it is just absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, that is a small haul, but I didn't feel like spending like too much on makeup because I really don't need any new makeup. I just wanted some. I think I'm most excited for this palette and the Urban Decay single, but can't go wrong with getting some makeup cleansing balms. If you haven't tried those two, I do highly recommend those. Now there's a lot of like holiday sets and stuff coming out that I kind of want to pick up a couple just to try out some new things, but I'm trying to not spend as much money in the last 2 months of the year. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, let me know if you have tried any of these products and what you think about them, and let me know what you think about me doing a 2 looks video with this palette because I will be happy to do that if people like that, but we shall see. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and if you're into book content, I have 2 book accounts on TikTok and Instagram under Devouring Bookishly, but everything is listed down below in the description, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, thank you again for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!